I calculated the death rate of every single game played in Squid Game Season 1 and 2 using actual maths, and then I ranked them from the least dangerous all the way to the most dangerous. In last place is the game's 6 legs, 365 players played, and a whopping 255 players survived, giving this game only a 30.1% death rate. The second most likely to survive, red light, green light, 912 players played across the 2 games, and 566 players survived combined. This gives this game a death rate of 37.9%. Next up, surprisingly, is the game Honeycomb. 187 players took part, and 101 players survived, meaning this game has a death rate of 42.2%. Next up is the actual Squid Game itself. Obviously 2 players took part, only 1 player made it out of this one alive, which means obviously this game has a 50% death rate. In Marbles, 32 players took part, only 16 players survived, giving this one also a 50% death rate, but I put it higher because more people died. And in a similar story, third place is Tug of War, 80 players took part, 40 players survived because 4 teams had to die, giving this one also a death rate of 50%, but again it's higher because 40 people died. Second place, surprisingly, is the game Mingle from Season 2. 255 players took part, and apparently only 100 players made it out of this one, giving this one a huge 60.8% death rate. But number 1, easily the hardest to survive in the whole Squid Games, the Glass Bridge. 16 players took part, only 3 survived, giving this one a massive death rate of 81.3% because it's pretty much just complete luck.